quadrocopters have actually turned into one of the most preferred toys in a couple of years. If earlier only the armed force might pay for such a device, now even kids are acquiring drones. Let's have a look at just how to choose a quadcopter to take pleasure in a secure trip. Drones have different varieties of props. Depending on their number, devices are divided into three kinds: tricopters, 3 propeller designs. Not one of the most secure, so they are just appropriate for enjoyable. A good image is not likely to be taken. Quadrocopters, 4 propeller drones, most popular. The version is secure, permits video and also photography. Hexacopters and also octocopters, these are expensive and also heavy lorries that can lug cargo. For amateur purposes, they are virtually not utilized. Quadcopters can be of various weights. Mini drones are suitable for a child as well as launch inside the home. Their weight can be 50 grams. They are great for exercising drone control skills. Versions weighing as much as 500 grams are thought about tool in dimension. This is the best choice. Such tools already require to be released outdoors, they can lug the camera.